Okay, let's take a look at the types of guards that we have. We have 4 basic types. We have a fixed guard, an interlock guard, a self-adjusting guard, and an adjustable guard. Now, these all serve a variety of purposes which are kind of different from each other, but the main and primary purpose of which is to keep your fingers and toes out of areas that they don't belong. So let's take a look. What is our fixed guard? Well, our fixed guard is permanently mounted there. It doesn't move, it's not adjustable, it doesn't self-adjust. You don't have to do anything to it in order to make it work. It is just there. Think about a fan and the shroud around the fan that keeps your fingers from going in. It doesn't do anything. It's just one big piece. That's our fixed guard. We also have that interlock guard, and these are kind of sensor devices. They're areas where things get tripped, meaning that it will turn off. Think about that microwave door. When you open the door, the microwave shuts down. The dishwasher, when you open the dishwasher, it shuts down. When you go and put your foot on the door of a door to open, you're activating the door to open. It's that type of issue. Once your foot comes off, the door can close, right? And the same thing happens around the garage door. It's interlocked, so as soon as you pass that light beam, that laser beam, it triggers the machine to stop. This is an interlock guard, meaning that as soon as it is activated, the machine locks up. All right, now we have what we call the self-adjusting guard. This will be like the guard on the bottom of our skill saw, our little, miter saw type issue here that we can actually run, and we'll pull back the guard, we'll start the cut, and as it goes through, it starts to adjust up just a little bit more, opening up so that the blade can get in there. Same thing with our tabletop saws and other types of saws, right? That blade will fluctuate up and down, not the blade itself, but the guard will fluctuate up and down as the blade moves through the material, depending on the thickness of the material. That's a self-adjusting guard, right? Now, our last is the adjustable guard. And this again is kind of like our skill saw, so that we can measure down the depth of the material, and then we will adjust the guard so that it sits flat, so the blade is just coming through the material just a little bit, so it's not going way down below a ½ inch and then cutting our fingers off as we pass by it. So that is that adjustable guard. We manually adjust the adjustable guard. The self-adjusting does it for us. As we apply the material through, it starts to lift, and that guard still protects. So our 4 types: fixed, adjustable, self-adjusting, and interlock. Those are the 4 types of guards. Let's get into where we put these, what we do if we can't find them, and all the other goodies.